So we are here at UNFCCC in Bonn. A couple of months ago we concluded COP25 in Madrid. Some people say it was a success, other people say it was a failure, and it really depends on how you look at it. From the perspective of having a political agreement on all the things that were set up, it was partly a failure because we did not get an agreement on how to use carbon markets. Carbon markets are part of the Paris Agreement, but we need to have the implementation rules, and that is what our part are still working on. That was a failure. On the other hand, we had some very good decision about climate action, about how to engage everybody, non-party stakeholders, private sector, civil society, subnational authorities to work together to address climate change under the Paris Agreement. And that actually went really, really well. So we're now looking ahead to COP26, which will be in Glasgow in November this year, 2020. At COP26, we are still continuing to work on the political negotiations around the remaining parts of the Paris Agreement to agree on the rules how to implement it, and the special carbon markets. We're quite hopeful that it is going to go because there is a common wish among all parties that this has to be adopted now. On the other hand, we also think that we need to focus much more on what other actors can do, not political, but practical, hands-on, on the ground, what the private sector can do, what cities can do, what civil society and what you and me as individuals and citizens can do. And it's not really about inventing new technologies, because many technologies are already there. It's more about scaling them up and deploying them across the world. One example is biogas, which is really not at all at the level where it can be. We have seen analysis of the potential of biogas, and it's really quite encouraging to see both what it can do for reducing greenhouse gas emissions while providing access to affordable energy to people all around the world. So we're quite hopeful that among many other technical solutions that are going to get a boost from COP26 is biogas.